Hey, you're back!
Welcome.
Thank you so much for joining us on another daily video. Yesterday you seen us do some finishing touches to the van in the DIY car park, as you do.
So in today's video we're finally getting around to doing that little mini van tour. We were set a challenge by our friends over at Courts and Meeks, and if you haven't seen their channel, they do some cool stuff over there.
So they have a series where they meet other van lifers and they challenge them to do a 3-minute tour of their van in one take.
Yeah, so no rehearsals, no practice. I'm not sure how this is gonna go.
It always, watching their videos, it seems super stressful and chaotic, but I love it. It looks super fun.
Yeah, it does. So this was really good at forcing our hands to actually finish off our little van tweaks, because we've been meaning to do a full van tour for ages, and this is a good way for us to get started and do a little mini one, and then you guys can tell us if there's anything you want to see in a full length tour.
That's good.
So after this video, if we've missed anything out, if there's stuff you want to know more about, throw it down in the comments, because we really want to do a full length one and we really hope you guys join us on it. But for now, let's get stuck into this video.
Let's do it! Hello and welcome to sunny Croatia. As you can see, for some reason we've decided to do this in an abandoned industrial estate in the middle of nowhere.
On the coldest day of the year in Croatia. We are Philly and Keely, and this is our beautiful home on wheels, Martha.
It is a 2011 Citroen Relay and it's got just over 140,000 miles on the clock. So I've lived in there for almost 2 years now. The first year we lived full time on the streets of London because that's where we worked. And then for 6 months we were just riding out lockdown like everybody else back in Northern Ireland. And then for the last 5 months we have been travelling across Europe.
We left Northern Ireland at the start of June and we made our way down to Spain and now all the way across to Croatia out of the Schengen zone.
Schengen?
That's where we are now, but with the hopes of heading further east soon. But let's get stuck into this van tour.
Yeah, let's do it. Are you ready?
I'll get ready. Come on.
I'll get the stopwatch. 3-minute timer starts now.
Okay, so we have this lovely window that we installed after the first year of living in it with no windows like hermits, and it slides open as you can see.
Wow.
Then moving along, we have got this lovely bench that ties in with the rest of our van. We only just built this last week and we absolutely love it. Loads of storage tucked in there. We also have blackout blinds in the window, but I'll show you them when we're fully inside. So onto the kitchen. We have a beautiful solid oak countertop, which is a nightmare, but we love it anyway. We have got a little sink with a pull-out faucet. What? Oops. I near spread that everywhere. A double gas hob burner. We've got little hanger reels to hang stuff off. Our lovely coffee pot. We've got a drawer for utensils, for spare utensils. Fridge, freezer, combi, Domatec CRX50. This is the basket that we keep all our fruit and vegetables in, because when we kept it in the cupboard they kept going off, so we had to put it on display. We keep our toiletries and stuff in this basket. Above the cab we have got baking stuff, extra wires, pots and pans, vitamins, all that type of stuff tucked up there. Come further in.
Coming in.
Okay. We have spice rack, etc., beans, tins, etc., all down there. Plates, cups, cutlery, everything, food, all stored up here. A bookshelf, whatever. This is a little living wall, even though it's not all living, just some of this is living. But we only just installed this again last week, so we love it. It looks beautiful. In here we have got more storage. It's really unorganized, so let's not look at that. Underneath the seating area. So we've got 2 seats. We sit here, we eat our breakfast, lunch, dinner. We both work on our laptops here, etc. In here is more storage, like our Omnia Sweden, Hoover, flask, whatever. Okay, now this little this little step, I need to get up in bed because I'm short, so I needed to get myself up. Okay, up into the bedroom. We have got a double mattress, memory foam. We sleep wide ways because I don't know. And here we have got all our clothes storage. Bye bye. For both of our covers. This is me. This is Philly. Why is this so stressful? Then we've got this nice little magnetic board. We set our coffees here. We've got pine cladded roof, pine cladded back doors. Literally only painted yesterday. Lovely little ivy fairy lights. We've got 2 fans in the roof window here. A fan over there. Underneath this bed, if you want. I'm not going to do it now because I'll probably spill everything. We can lift this up on a hinge to get to the storage underneath. We did a full storage tour recently. I'll link the video. What else am I meant to say?
Batteries and solar panels.
Oh yeah, so here you can see we've got our inverter, we've got our solar controller, all our switches that we can reach from red, our diesel heater which is underneath the cab. We have got 3 batteries, 120 amp hours each, 3 solar panels on the roof, 320 watts solar, 360 amp hours.
Whoa. 3 minutes. How do I stop this? Okay. Stop it!
Friggin' man!
Wow, I'm stressed for you. That was nuts.
Oh, I'm actually stressed.
I think you did such a banger job though. You missed our bin come seat.
Yeah, and the fingerboard and our hanging plants, but you know.
They can be in the next 3-minute tour.
Friggin' man. That was tough. High five.
Pressure on. Well done. I'm so proud of you.
You can get back in now.
Yeah. Wow.
That was one take. Like, we didn't rehearse that. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed
That was
too.
quite like, that's the longest and shortest 3 minutes of my life.
Well.
So thanks so much Courts and Meeks for challenging us to do that. That was pretty stressful.
No, it was so much fun. It was easy for me. I just had to follow you around with the camera.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And hopefully we'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah, thanks again. Bye.
Bye. I'll start outside, get myself hyped. Hyped.